Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how you can display elements of an array with a loop. Let's create an array. The name of the array is points. Store some numbers in this array. Let's start with the forEach method. In this scenario, we're working with an array of numbers, and our aim is to display each number of the array. The process is quite simple. Apply the forEach method to the array. All you need to do is mention the name of the array, in this case, points, followed by forEach method. In the parentheses, pass the parameter. I am using number. You can think of it as a variable that holds the value of the current element being processed in the loop. Utilize an arrow function, recognize it by the arrow symbol, and within the curly braces, display the number using the console log. Thanks to the forEach method, you can effortlessly display each number from the array one by one. Now, let's use the for of loop to display each number of the array. Use the for keyword and create a variable with the let type. This is for of loop, so use of word and name of the array points. Here, I represents each item of the points array. The for of a loop is like having a special tool that helps you to access each element of the array. Next up, we have the for in loop. Simply duplicate the for of loop code and paste it below. In this case, replace the of keyword within. Also, when using the for in loop, you should access each number by referencing the index within the points array in the console log. In this way, you can display each number of the array using for in loop. Moving forward, let's clear all the code. Next, we have for loop. With the for loop, you have a counter, variable I, equal to 0, that helps you go through each number one by one. Next, specify the condition I less than the length of the array. Points.length means 5 because there are 5 numbers in the array, so the length of the array is 5. Then increment in I by 1. In this loop, the console log and use points index 1 to access each element. Keep in mind that when you're using the for in loop or the standard for loop, you can access elements by referring to their index. You have the option to reverse this loop by adjusting the value of I to be equal to points.length minus 1. Additionally, modify the condition to I greater than equal to 0. When you decrement I by 1 during each iteration, you will effectively display the elements of the points array in reverse order. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for future updates.